Hi everyone. So after very important 4 videos, at the moment we are in final video of accounting elements. So if you watch my previous videos, you already know there are 5 elements in accounting. So we already discussed about the 4 elements. There is only one elements to be discussed. So this is the first time you are watching my videos. You are seeing me in video, so you can go to my YouTube channel using below above link, and you can watch a lot of important informative ERP consultants videos. If you are ERP consultants, you must go to my channel and watch those videos. There are a lot of things to learn for ERP beginners. So let's go to the topic. Equity. What is an equity? Right, let's discuss. Equity is the amount of capital invested or owned by the owner of the company. Right? I know you already know this stuff, but I wanted to give full understanding about the accounting. Right? Equity is the amount of capital invested. Right? If you have a business, it doesn't matter if it is a large scale business or if it is a small scale or if it is a grocery, whatever happen, if you are put your money for that business, that is investment. So that invested capital we identify as a equity, and yes, that owned by the owner. Right? As the owner, if you're not only the money, if you give your vehicle to your business, or if you give your premises to the businesses, those stuffs also we can identify as under the equity. But when it comes to balance sheet, uh, the equity containing on the balance sheets, we'll show you it in coming videos. So when it comes to equity category, under the balance sheet we can identify as share capital, which means most of the PLC companies, listed companies, uh, they are if they have any financial difficulties, especially, or if you want to find some finance, what they are doing is they are issuing shares. It can be ordinary shares, can be preference shares. But if any company issue ordinary shares, or if anyone purchase those ordinary shares, that ordinary share capital we can identify as a equity. Which means if anyone purchase ordinary share of the company, they automatically become a owners of the company. If you purchase 100,000 equity, 100,000 shares, you are owner. Or if you purchase one share, even you are owner. Right. Don't forget about the ordinary shares and preference shares. It's a different topic actually. Whatever happen, if you purchase any share, that share capital we can identify under the equity. As well as retained earnings. What is retained earning? Retained earning comes from the P&L. We'll show you link in next videos. In balance sheet, if you want to tally those balance sheets, you have to get income statement balance to the balance sheet. That balance we get into the retained earnings. So if you have some understanding about the accounting cycle, end of the period, we are closing all the accounts, we are tallying all the accounts, and we are transferring income balances to the balance sheet, which means normally in general we are called that closing accounts. At the point of we are closing account, what we are doing is that income statement balance, P&L balance for the year, we are moving that to the balance sheet. If not, this balance sheet will not get tallied. Right. That's why I show you this as a retained earnings under the equity. As well as other than that, if even we go to the balance sheet, revaluation reserves also we can identify under the equity category. Not actually, that not the equity. We are showing that under the equity category. Right. This is how equity. Whatever happened, forget about this part. Keep in your mind, equity is the amount of capital invested or owned by the owner of the company. Keep that part only your mind. So right, anyhow, we came to the final element that we have discussed it. So hope you have a good understanding about the 5 elements of accounting. Right, let's meet up with another one special and very important video, which is accounting equation, how these asset, liabilities, equity, expenses, revenues, all this is the point we are getting aggregate, which means there are some equal computations and some equalities in these 5 elements. So let's see how these 5 elements we can combine into the one formula. Right, let's meet up with another video. Until next video, stay safe.